Welcome to BYOB Network. Though BYOB is a huge community and the number of members is growing rapidly, we understand your privacy and concerns. The community shall not sell or rent members' personal information to third parties without members' explicit consent. The community shall store and process members' information on computers located in the United States that are protected by physical as well as technological security devices. However, the community shall be permitted to access and modify members' information. If the member has a dispute with one or more other members, the member shall release the community, and its officers, directors, agents, subsidiaries, joint ventures, and employees, from claims, demands, and damages actual and consequential, of every kind and nature, known and unknown, arising out of or in any way connected with such disputes. So as you can see, we are keeping BYOB platform for you as simple as possible to provide a user-friendly experience for everyone.